just got my new tracks in. Yeah, I didn't record it, but anyway, I got them in the garage here. I got my machine jacked up, so I started cleaning. I'm gonna take to one side and pop the grease, get the wrench to pop the grease out of it and see if I can get the one track off and then clean it all up. Okay. I have to get a light on this. Every time you think you got everything, it's always something missing. Probably won't need all this, but now it's to find the right one. Oh, this one worked. It's not even in there. Alright, now let's see. Okay, that one looks like it might be the one to fit on that. This is the one for the other nipple. Huh. Not even coming. He's out. Okay, so I didn't even. Looks like it's not there. I should grab my gloves. Oh, always forget them. Don't like wearing them, but sometimes. Okay, that's not even fitting on there. Let's see. This 3/8 too big. That's too big. Let's see what else. That don't fit at all. There's no way. That should be the right one. Fits on there. Huh. Looks like the grease knuckle. Put it on here so it doesn't get dirty. And what the heck? That's the one that should be letting it loose. Alright. That's not working on there. So just, come on. That's why I don't like wearing gloves. They're always more in the way. Let's get some brake cleaner and clean that all up. I think I have some here somewhere. There it is. Okay, I can go in the garbage bag. Alright, so that should be supposed to be all the way in. Now it's to get them off. I'll put that one back in. I don't need that. Okay, so now I'm going to get that. Okay. I don't know if I can get that cylinder back, tap it back, make it looser, or if it's all the way back. Looks like that's it. I got some grease out. Huh. Let's see if I can get some more. Oh, there. Quite a bit come out there. Okay. So I should get a putty knife. I don't think there's one in here. Oh, yeah. blocks and much more. Okay, screwdriver.
Hey, look, that thing over there. We had.
Oh wow, it would have been a lot easier if it would have been cleaned, eh?
Yeah, doesn't matter. It's still going to be whatever it is. It's to get it off the track. Now I got it shorter. It come down quite a ways. It's on the ground there now, so it's come back. Now it's to get it off the track.
How do you do that?
Well, I'm not sure. I've never done it before. They've come off. I put them on, but I've never taken them off. So, but
Google?
right now I'm thinking of do it the same way we put this one on. I'll put some blocks in here and turn it as I go and lift it up and bring it closer if it has to, but I'll need you in the machine.
Oh.
So.
Can it wait till I get back, or
Yeah,
you want to do it
yeah.
now?
No, you just go ahead and go do that.
Okay, I'll come back. You should Google it too. Maybe there's an easier way.
Yeah, nothing's easy. It's all work, work, work.
I know, but look it up. You never know.
Yeah. Let's see.
You have your phone here?
No. Oh yeah, I got my phone.
Okay.
I gotta get that. If I lift that up and okay. I need wood blocks. See, should have done that first. But no, crowbar. Is that in here now, or is it? Oh yeah. That's not high enough. Oh, no, that's not gonna work. All right. Can't get it high enough. Should have some thinner pieces. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't, I'll find something else to do. Oh, maybe I can do that now. Oh yeah. Okay, down here. No, I should have. Okay, that keeps that tight. Snap this right away here now. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Might have to do it the other way. Well, there's got to be an easy way, I guess. Just, I'll have to check it out. I'm wondering if it's not back far enough yet. Okay. Alright, I guess I'll turn this off for now. Google it a little more, see if I can find the easiest way.